Let's talk about weight loss today. Hi, I'm Dr. Sikha Gayan. I'm MBBS MD Fellowship in Diabetes Management. Everybody must have heard about a new drug called Mounjaro. It's a tirzepatide. It's a drug used basically for diabetes treatment, and also it is approved for weight loss now. So it is used in obesity to reduce the weight, of course, to reduce the fat. So, and also it's a cardiovascular protective thing. It reduces your triglycerides, your LDLs, improves your HDLs, it maintains your blood pressure as well. Apart from that, how does it work? It basically reduces your craving for the sugars, for the junk food, increases your satiety. You always feel like you're not hungry, so you're eating less, and also you're eating quality food in small meals. So how does it go about? It's a weekly injection, subcutaneous injection. That's with a small insulin syringe, small injection. So at a different sites can be given. Initial dose is 2.5 mg and maximum is 15 mg. So we increase the dose gradually. That has to be prescribed by proper doctor. Any endocrinologist or any person who is dealing with diabetes can do that. So you have to go and check with the doctor, get your basic lab tests done. Your basic lab tests are very important so that we can know what are the baseline tests, what are the changes. You might also need a basic ultrasound also to rule out certain things, because there are certain complications related to the drug which need to be ruled out initially, so that we know you are a good candidate for Mounjaro. There's a drastic improvement in weight, almost like at a dose of 15 mg, almost 22 to 23% of body weight reduces, with 20 centimeters of waist circumference also. So it reduces your weight, it reduces your fat, it also reduces your waist circumference. So that's a huge thing, right? So when you reach at a target weight, then we need a maintenance dose that has to be discussed with your doctor. So if you have any questions regarding weight loss, how to go about it, what is the cost, what could be the side effects, possible side effects, long-term complications, what could be initial things, basic tests, anything. If you have questions regarding that, or if you are a good candidate for that or not, go see your doctor nearby, endocrinologist, or you can visit me at any time. Feel free to ask all the questions. Feel free to visit my clinic. Numbers are given in the pamphlet. So thank you so much. Have a nice journey in reducing your weight. Of course, obesity is a chronic thing. So apart from reducing weight, you need to have maintenance dose as well. But it's a good thing. Thank you.